Hello everyone, today I'm going to make an arrow gun. For that we need a scissor or a blade, a stick. You can make an arrow like this out of your stick, a balloon and a rubber band. You would also need a marker which is not usable. The first step is you take the sketch pen, open the cap, then you have to open the back part. So after that, take out the ink and then you have to cut it with the blade. So now I am done. So after that, you have to cut the neck of the balloon. After that, you just need to put that like this. So then you have to put the hollow sketch pen in the balloon. And then you just have to tighten it with a rubber band. And your arrow gun is ready. I wasn't able to tighten the rubber band on the balloon, so my mom helped me. Now your arrow gun is ready. You just need to insert the stick. You pull the balloon from its end and shoot. Hope you liked my experiment. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Shoot! Okay. Where did it go?
क्या कर रहा है अभी?
घास काट रहा हूँ।
क्यों?
ऐसे ही?
खाली है तू?
हाँ।
बाल काट दूँ तेरे थोड़े से?
नहीं।
थोड़े से?
नहीं।
मारो।